On this week's episode, we have a stop at Builder's Warehouse, fix and organize the boat. I teach Ricky how to do a screw drive. He saws a few of the cabinets out, and a friend comes and visits.
We go to Builder's Warehouse. We're just gonna go get some supplies, maybe some. We need some masks, maybe some gloves. So we're gonna start pulling apart today and packing up. So we're gonna pull apart some of the cabinets that are damaged. So we're just gonna get some protective gear. Always safety first. We offloaded everything. You can see how much space we got in the back. Put the seats down. So we're ready to rock and roll. So get some materials. But yeah, task for today is pretty much just try and sort out the boat. It's all the stuff that we don't want to either give it away to someone or throw away the rubbish. And we start loading up all the sails and all of that to take home. So the stuff with a bit of value we're gonna take off the boat, and also makes it easier for us to work on the boat when everything's off and we got a nice, almost, let's call it clean canvas kind of thingy. I'm at my favorite store now. Builder's Warehouse. A whole bunch of cool shit to buy. What do you call that thing that you're pushing now in South Africa?
A trolley. And in America, it's a shopping cart. So we got our goodies at Builder's Warehouse.
Good to go.
And we're gonna go to the yacht now to go work. We're eating our favorite chocolate. It's called a Milky Bar, and it's amazing.
Much essential for boat refit.
Yeah. It's white chocolate, but it's so creamy and yummy. So if you guys ever come across this stuff,
Try it.
try it. It's the bomb.
How long have we been here?
How long have we been here? An hour? Hour and a half?
Yeah, full an hour now.
Yeah.
Bagging everything, what we want, what we don't want.
Got a whole box full of stuff though.
We've done one cabin so far, and we filled it up with other stuff.
Yeah, stuff for keeping. And then...
Gonna rip all of this out.
What you doing?
Ripping this liner off. It's quite a shitty liner. It's like a material based backing. And obviously with a bit of humidity it holds everything. I'm gonna rip all the liner off and we'll put on new liner on. Get it all sanded down. Put new windows in. Build new cabinets. And then put it back.
So, I have hectic sea legs still, and it's so frustrating getting on and off this boat because I'm so petrified of falling in this water because it's freezing. We decided we need to energize and get some food in because I'm hungry. So we're coming to this, so we're gonna come get some chow.
This place is super packed. For a place like a small little place like I should never think it, but it's super packed.
Pork burger, and it's a burger full of prawns. Yummy.
I got the calamari.
We ran into a photo of our yacht that This Is Each, which was pretty
We
exciting.
just finished having lunch.
And it was so good.
Man, that place is good. Just show you quick. That's how small that little place is. And just for lunch, we were order number 200. And if you think each person takes like 1 or 2 meals, there was a lot of family there. There's like over 1,000 servings just for lunch.
And it's like 2:30 now. Hi ho, off to the boat we go. Babes, what are you looking for?
We're looking for some fenders like these, but I only want the one-sided ones.
Don't you like our boys anymore?
No, boys are crap. That's what we got at the moment.
It's a lovely day today. I bought some sunscreen because we're gonna burn. So we are on day 2 of fixing up the boat, and we got the radio working, so we have some tunes, which is exciting because working without music sucks. Why don't we go and check what Ricky's up to? What you doing?
I'm trying to get rid of these gas bottles. There's 2 gas bottles and they're connected with these like electronic shutter valves. So I want to, and then as you can see, these things are super rusted. So I want to get rid of these bottles and get some new ones. And we're going to change the system so we just have a one valve system, which will make it easier. Opposed to having the 2, there's less things that can go wrong with one, and then we'll just have an interchangeable bottle that we can take in and out and all. But these things have been sitting here for so long that like we can't even get the fittings off, and everything's, that one was stuck in the open position, so when I took the fittings off there's just gas everywhere. So we sort it out now. I need like a shifter, like a Jan spanner. I need a monkey wrench. So what are you doing?
I'm cleaning.
What are you cleaning?
The bulge pump.
Dirty bulges, eh?
It's pretty gross.
You're scrubbing that thing.
And it looks bad inside as well. Not being looked after. King's heaven. What are you doing, Annie?
Taking out all our batteries. We got a bit of a crappy charging system, or used to have, and so we're going to change it all out.
The seagulls came to say hey, to check up on if we were actually working or if we're napping. Taking off the microwave cabinets, and we were slowly but surely getting rid of everything on the boat.
The radar still works. Come have a look. State-of-the-art technology. Right here, baby. For the people that were from the 80s or 90s, you might recognize this. The good old green radar. Hey. Hey, the radio works. I switched that one off, so it's not on now. Still trying to figure out how this thing works. This is long before my time. I think it's warming up. You probably got to give it a couple of seconds. See if the flame is still on. Yeah, she's warming up at the moment. Simone, what are you doing?
Sleeping.
Why are you sleeping?
Because you're overworking me.
I'm not overworking you.
Yes.
Have you loaded the microwave yet?
It's cheap labor.
It's cheap labor. What a good day. There's the microwave. We're taking all the stuff out of the boat at the moment. You can see almost everything's out. We'll be ripping all of this up soon. Taking it all out, putting all new. Everything's gonna be new.
Day 3 of our cleanup, and we've arrived a little bit late because we had to change the brake pads on the car because they were a little worn, and get Ricky a new phone because he broke his. Hey cutie!
How's it going?
What you doing?
Taking some doors off.
Magic!
Morning everyone. Day 4 today, and we're starting at 9 o'clock. I know it's late, but we worked until 8:30. Gotta hold it hard here. Oh, you already broke the bit. Because I told you, push down hard on it.
That's what I did.
Very hard.
But I got
Not
the other
poofed
two.
hard.
Do you have another bit?
Yeah, I got one more.
So Ricky shouts to me because he said I broke the bit, but look what he did. What did you do? Tell everyone what you did.
I reshaped the bit.
Yeah, you reshaped it. Yeah.
We're gonna go get some blades for the circular saw because I cut some stainless steel and I messed up the blade. And then we're gonna go fetch our sails and a life raft. That's from the previous owner.
So we decided to stop at the yacht club first for some yummy food and get some energy in before we carried on with our yacht endeavors. They have a really good deck burger and their cheeseburgers are pretty bomb too.
Showing us youngsters how to do it.
Yeah, sure. Rule number 1, start. There's absolutely a huge ray. Check out the size of that. That is massive.
Stay tuned until next week's episode where we carry on gutting out our yacht. And subscribe below, like our Instagrams and Facebook pages, links are down below in the bio. And thanks for watching.